Good morning, treasure hunters and thrill seekers, also known as geocachers. Clocks changed last night. We're now in British summertime and I'm out doing a few caches. And I've just done one behind me near City of York Hospital. And I'm just actually walking through the old Bootham Hospital grounds, what used to be the psychiatric hospital, I believe, and I haven't been here for many a year. I'll flip the camera around and show you. So there's the old Bootham Park Hospital. Got a beautiful willow tree. And then through there's a converted church. My sister had her first job in that church, actually. It used to be, quite a few years ago, the health promotion department in York. Don't even believe that exists anymore. But the interior, oddly enough, I don't know whether it's still the same, but it used to be, it was designed like a ship on the inside. I think that explains what it is now. So yeah, I'm out doing a couple of caches, as I say. Let's have a quick look at the app and I'll show you where we're heading. So, according to the app, I'm about 600 or so meters away, and it's called the BS. The BS is short for the Burton Stone. Quite a quaint little church this, isn't it? And there, in the very pale sunlight, you can see the hospital. Right, let's crack on. Oh, mind you, before I go, the front of this is quite nice. Look at that. I appreciate you might be getting a bit of more of a silhouette view, given that the sun is just over there. I do love seeing all the daffodils out. Sure sign that summer's on the way. Right, so we're only about 300 meters away. This is Bootham in York. And there, through the railings, you can see Bootham Park Hospital that we've just walked past. So yeah, not far to go. Apologies if there's a bit of wind noise on the mic. I've got a dead cat on it, but it is quite blustery today, and as you know, everything has its limitations. You see those scooters over there? That's a new addition to the York transport scene. Apparently they are quite pricey to run, but I had an electric scooter a few years ago, a couple of years ago, and I got rid of it because they weren't legal at the time, and now there's a footbridge here across Bootham. Are we actually on Clifton Green now? I'm not quite sure. This is all part of St. Peter's School. I believe it's a private one. The cherry blossom there. I do like to see that coming out. It's a sign that spring is on the way, isn't it? Or that spring is here and summer's on the way. Am I just rambling? Well, I'm definitely rambling. I'm rambling through York. Anyway, let's have another look at that building. York does have some wonderful old architecture. Right, so this is Burton Stone Lane. That's the Burton Stone pub, and that is the Burton Stone. Right, so I found this cache. And I'm just going to sign the log. It's not actually here, this is actually the Burton Stone here. and it's not actually here. It's a little bit further away. But I've just brought it here to throw you a little bit off the scent. Oh, this log's a bit damp. I can do it, I think, without damaging it. Right, okay. If you've liked this, please give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. And if you subscribe to the channel, you'll get a notification from YouTube when you open it up when I've uploaded any new content like kayaking, reviews, cleaning videos, all sorts of bits and pieces that you might enjoy, or you might not. So that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. As I say, I'm going to have a little coffee and a little snack before going on to the next cache.